Did I need another pair of shoes? Maybe. Did I want another pair of shoes? I have like 5 pairs of these shoes already. I've been thinking about it for the past like 10 days and I was like, okay, I really want to get a pair of heels. For whatever reason, I just don't have a pair of white heels and it's almost spring and summer and I'm building a capsule wardrobe, so if you haven't heard of this brand, it's a brand called Vivaya and they have recycled plastic bottles for their shoes. That's what they're made out of. So I absolutely love an ethical girly who is saving the planet. I have a pair of winter boots, a pair of sneakerinas that Bella Hadid was wearing last summer. And I just got in a pair of Margot 3.0 and Icon loafers. And the packaging looks so stunning. She looks so pretty. I did get her in a European size 40, which is a size 9 in US. So just so you know, they do come in European sizes. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, that knit is so, oh, little kitten heel. And sling back feature, oh my goodness. Oh, she is stunning. Wow. Look at that inside, oh my goodness. Oh, that is so soft. So this pillow right here, I have this with the Sneakerinas. This is pretty much in all of their shoes, but this makes it feel like a sneaker, feels like very cloud-like, very bouncy. Oh, I'm so glad they have that in these. This is such a great brunch shoe because I like to be very comfortable when I'm at brunch and just have like a really good time and not have to worry about pain on my feet, which is really lovely. I love that it's still wide here and then just like narrows, but this little design right here, and it has a little buckle. How aesthetic is that? So there's a little mesh right here, so it is adjustable. Okay, absolute first impression is these are absolutely gorgeous. I love the little kitten heel. I love how slim my feet look. They're really easy to walk around and like my slingback isn't coming out like normal because it does have the adjustability that feels very hug-like. Love the V at the top with the shape. It just gives it like an added touch to it. Yeah, this is definitely amazing, but let me know your thoughts. Let me know if I should keep or return these.